welcome back on Physics 1 channel for HK News. Today is a great day for science, and we will talk first about the Chinese synchrotron, which opens up recently. Then we will talk about Corot Exo 7b, which is a new exoplanet discovered. And for finish the TV news, I will tell you a few things about the Copernican revolution. And now we will start with our great man Ashmanzadeh, which is sent from Shanghai, China. Yes, China is now a big nation of physics. Here is Mr. Ashmanzadeh for HK News.
So, that's right, Mr. Mandelbrot. Behind me, you can see the China's biggest synchrotron light source. We are here located in the Shanghai High-Tech Park, where this huge structure will generate intense beams of X-rays in order to probe the colossal matter. Indeed, the 4,132 diameter storage ring will produce X-rays which will be sent to 60 beamlines connected to more than 100 experiments in physics and biology. Chinese scientists have called it the Shanghai Synchrotron Radiation Facility, SSRF. We can notice the French inspiration. Everybody knows that Europe is equipped with a synchrotron named European Synchrotron Radiation Facility, located in Grenoble, a very beautiful city. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ashmanzadeh. That was very interesting. But now, I wouldn't go so far to say that it is the best news of the century, but it is certainly the best news of the year. And Bob Johnson from Houston, Texas. Are you here, Bob? We have a little problem. Okay, that's great. Okay, Bob Johnson here from Houston, Texas to talk about Corot Exo 7b.
Using the Corot Space Telescope, astronomers have found a new exoplanet 400 light-years from Earth, the so-called Corot 7b. By observing the wobble it induces in its parent star, astronomers have found that it has a radius twice that of the Earth and a mass about 5 times bigger. This implies it got a rocky composition and a similar density to Earth. Interesting, isn't it? We also know that the temperature is over 1000 Kelvin on the surface, and its orbiting period is around 20 hours, 0.5. So far, most of the exoplanets discovered were giant planets such as Jupiter. But the sensitivity of the Space Telescope Corot permitted to find this new, small, Earth-like exoplanet. Bob Smith, Houston, Texas, for HK News.
Thank you, Ben Smith Johnson, for this great news. And now we'll finish the news today by a Copernican revolution. In fact, for the 400th birthday of Copernic, the scientists decided to congratulate this great man, and Mr. Hubble from Germany is here to explain all this. Mr. Hubble, here you go.
Thank you, Albert. Well, the famous astronomer Nicholas Copernicus has been honored by the physics community. Indeed, the element 112 of the Mendeleev table has been given the name of Copernicus, with the symbol CP. This decision has been taken by the GSA lab in Darmstadt, Germany. This lab discovered this element in 1996, but it has been allowed to name it only in 2009. This lab had already discovered the elements 107 to 111. That's a great lab. So this event will probably not have the same philosophical impact as the Copernican revolution, but no, this great scientist has got his place in the atomic world. It was Ben Hubble for HK News.
Thank you, Mr. Hubble, and all of you. I hope you enjoyed the news today. Tomorrow, Edmond Andrew will take my place. Goodbye.